You're on the way to meet someone and they ask where you are. Instead of typing out directions or sending screenshots, your iPhone 17 can share your live location right inside Messages, so the other person can see exactly where you are as you move. Here's how to share your live location on the iPhone 17 with iOS 26. Open the Messages app and open an existing conversation or start a new one. Tap the plus icon next to the message field, then tap Location. A map showing your current position will appear. Tap Share, then choose how long you want to share your location, such as for 1 hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. Add a message if you want, then tap Send. You'll see a confirmation that live location sharing has started, and your position will update in real time inside the conversation as you move. If you're sending an SMS instead of iMessage, you can send a pinned location instead. Tap the plus icon, tap Location, then tap the pin icon in the top left corner of the map. Drag the pin to your location, tap Send Pin, then tap Send. Just keep in mind that pinned locations do not update as you move. You can also share your location through the Find My app. Open Find My, tap the plus icon, tap Share My Location, choose a contact, and tap Send. If location sharing isn't working, make sure iMessage is turned on, Find My is enabled, Location Services is active in settings, and your iPhone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. And that's it. If this helped you share your location on your iPhone 17, give it a like, and check out our other videos to discover more features that make everyday communication easier. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.